You can easily share a folder with others after you've created it. You need to go into the folder that you want to share from the Folders box. Click on the folder you want, or click on View All Folders and then the folder to share. In the top left, click on the Actions link and select the last option, Share Folder. Type in the name of the person you want to share with their last name first, or if they are not in your organisation, their email address, and click on the Add to Share button. You can assign a permissions role. Editor allows the other person to add or delete items in the folder. Viewer allows them to just view the documents. The default setting is Editor. You can add more people by typing in their names. To save your settings, click on the Save button.